Now look at what is happening here. All right, you can see this. Danny joined the $7 system just 2 days ago, and he has already had 2 sales, and he has made back his $7. How do you like that? Okay, now let's look at who again? Edward joined 14 hours ago, and he has already gotten his first sale. And he's almost made back his $7. Is that not powerful? Let's check some other people. Look at Michael. Look at what Michael said. He said he has already made his money back. Can you look at that? He has already made how much? Where's that? Let's see. How much did Michael make? Let's click on his image. All right, look at that. Michael made $119, guys. $119. And this system cost only $7. So he has made his money back over and over again, and it's just starting, guys. Is that not powerful? Let's check some more people in the community. Let's check another person. This is Nick. Nick just started. Imagine that. Nick just started out, and Nick has already made $24. This is a powerful system, guys. It's very, very powerful. Let me show you some other people. Let's quickly look at this. Look at Tioshi. Tioshi has received a payment of $32 already. Another person is Ben. He got a payment of $30. Let's check some more people. Carlos got a sale. Are you seeing that? And who again? Marius got a payment of $600. Imagine a pro $7 system that paid him $600. That's a lot of multiplication of your investment. This is powerful. This is really, really powerful. I'm telling you, let's check some other people. Ratnaka also got a payment of, where's it? $600, guys. You can see that he said it there. He got a bank check payment of $600. Let's check another person. Oh, look at Michael here. This Michael Turner got a commission of $50 from a $7 program. And this is just the beginning, right? Look at Carlos. Just look at all these commissions. Are you seeing them? So many, guys. So many. So if you are part of the one-page funnel system, this system only costs $7, right? And look, everything is done for you. You don't do anything. I'm going to explain that to you shortly. All right, let's go to my Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account here. And let's look at the sales. Can you imagine this, guys? Let it load. Look at 4 sales, 6 sales, 2 sales. Can you see the way the sales are coming? And this program just started, and you can see how I'm getting sales with this program. It's powerful, really, really powerful. And I'm not the only one. Let me show you some other people that made a good amount of money with this $7 system. Look at Jenny Maria. She made $2,844 with the $7 system. Let's check Rebecca. Rebecca made over $1,000 with this $7 program. Look at Mr. Jeremy. He made $1,166 with this $7 one-page funnel system. You can see what he wrote by himself. Let's check another person. This is Hansi. Hansi made $1,323. So Hansi has made over $4,560 with this $7 system. And look at one of the commissions he got, $1,200 in commission. That is powerful. Let's check Mitch. Mitch made over $3,000 with this one-page funnel system. Now you will start asking, Victor, what is this one-page funnel system? So let's go to my notes so that I explain what it is. Okay, so this is a $7. So it only costs you $7 one-time payment. So this is a $7 done for you CPA marketing system. All right, so you don't have to buy any product at all. You just register with $7 and you will have the opportunity to own this one-page funnel system, which is a CPA marketing system. Now you'll be asking me, what is a CPA marketing system? Now let's go through this. CPA marketing, or what you call cost per action marketing, is a performance-based advertising model where a business pays an affiliate, which is me and you, for specific customer action. All right, let me just explain all those grammar and big words to you. Now, a CPA platform have different companies or businesses that are looking for customers, right? Now, so you don't have to buy anything. All you need to do is to promote your link or share your link and get a lot of visitors and customers to these businesses on the CPA platform. And whenever a sale is made, you are paid commission. Guys, this is powerful. And look, with the one-page funnel system, you are not going to do any selling at all. Everything is done for you. Okay, now all the follow-ups are done for you with the one-page funnel system. All the products are selected for you and they are promoted for you. And whenever a sale is made, you are paid commission. So you will be able to earn low ticket commission like I showed you. People that are making $5, that's low ticket commission. And then even people making $100, some people $200, and then I showed you some people making $1,000, $2,000. These are high ticket commission, and you will have the opportunity to earn commissions like this without you buying any product. Is that not amazing? That is amazing. Like I said, everything is done for you, guys. Everything is done for you. That's why you can see me making commissions just like as you can see here, $421 paid to my Wise account. Let's see. Look at this, $1,027 paid to my Wise account. Can you see that? Look at another commission I made here, $1,508 paid to my Wise account. Look at this, $1,004 paid to my Wise account. Let's check this out, $424, $360, all paid to my Wise account. Let's look at this. Look at all these commissions here, paid to my PayPal account. Look at this, $600 in commission paid to my PayPal account. So these are monies you can earn while you have an online business. Okay, so if you want to get started with the one-page funnel $7 system, just go below this video you are watching right now. Okay, just like this. Now once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the one-page funnel system. Go ahead, click that first link. Now once you click the first link, that should bring you to this capture page website. All you have to do, enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. Then you see the yellow button that says yes, give me access now. Go ahead, click that yellow button, then pay your $7. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Pay your $7 and then you will now be part of the one-page funnel system. And if you decide to join my team, I am offering some free bonuses and also one-on-one training, one-on-one coaching, and one-on-one mentoring. So I'm going to work with you. I'm going to assist you in any way that I can until you start doing very well with this system. Look, it only costs $7 one time, and you'll be part of a system that can pay you unlimited amount of commissions over and over again. That's a very good offer, right? So if you like this video, click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.